In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add pictures, symbols, and logos on TradingView Charts. By the end, you'll be able to place icons, emojis, and your own images or logos directly on any TradingView chart so your notes and visuals stand out clearly. First, open TradingView. If you're using a browser, go to the TradingView website. You can also use the desktop app if you prefer. Wait for the home screen to load. Next, open a chart. From the main page, now open any market or your saved layout so you're looking at a live chart. Make sure the chart area is visible and not covered by other panels. Now, click the left toolbar. This is the vertical toolbar on the left side of the chart where all the drawing tools live. If it's collapsed, click to expand it so you can see the tool icons. From here, click Icons. It looks like a smiley face with a star. This opens a panel of symbols you can use on your chart. Browse the categories or scroll through the available icons. Choose a symbol. Click once on the symbol you want. Your cursor will change to indicate the tool is active and ready to place. Click on the chart to place it. Move your cursor to the exact candle, price level, or area you want to mark and click once. The symbol appears on the chart at that position. If you clicked in the wrong spot, don't worry. You can reposition it after placing. For now, just confirm the icon is visible on your TradingView chart. To add emojis, click Text tool. In the same left toolbar, select the Text tool so you can place a text box on the chart. This is necessary because emojis are typed as text. Click on the chart. Choose the position where you want the emoji to appear and click once to place the text box. A small text editing window will open or your cursor will appear ready to type. Press Windows plus to open the emoji keyboard. This is the built-in emoji panel on Windows. If it doesn't appear on your first press, press the keys again while the text cursor is active in the chart's text field. Select emoji. In the emoji panel, click the emoji you want. It will be inserted into the text box on your chart. You should see it immediately. If you need a different emoji, open the panel again with Windows plus and choose another. When you're done, just click outside the text box to set it in place on your TradingView chart. See, to add a custom image or logo, click Image tool in the left toolbar. Look for the image or picture icon. This tool lets you place your own graphics on the chart. Upload your picture. When prompted, choose the file from your computer. Supported image formats like PNG and JPG work well. After you select the file, TradingView will load a preview in your cursor. Click on the chart to place it. Move to the exact spot where you want your logo or image to sit and click once. The image will appear on the chart at that position. Take a moment to confirm it looks correct and that it sits where you intended on the TradingView chart. At this point, you've added a symbol from the Icons tool, inserted emojis using the Text tool and the Windows emoji keyboard, and placed a custom image or logo via the Image tool. Each item should now be visible on your chart exactly where you clicked. If you followed along step by step, everything is now set and ready for you to continue analyzing or annotating your TradingView charts with clear visual markers. That's it. Your TradingView chart now includes pictures, symbols, and logos, and everything is placed and working as shown. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.